Back then, for me, teenager life is everything. First time sa tanan, first love, first drunk, first time mo buhat og mga bad things, ika nga nila, full of energy. No worries, enjoying the moment while still young. Especially high school life. Dito ko nakat-on sa tanan, mukating classes, mo over the bakod, dili musod sa mga subject, manguha og mangga, bayabas nga dili amoa. Banding sa mga barkada. Barkada nga karon nagkalagyo na. I have a lot of memories that time. I can tell nga once in my life nabuhaton ako. Once in my life I had a beautiful, super memorable nga teens life. Until I became 20s. Looking back then, makaanak ko nga nag-mature ng konti. Konti lang. Cause like 10 years na ako, mas naa na experience sa kinabuhi gamay. Nearly adulting, but not yet there. Gets nyo yung point ko. 20s na ko. Excited sa tanan, adult ko no. If only I knew back then what is really adulting. So going back, I still had less worries. Maybe because in my mind, I'm still young, excited to do things, to experience new things. Curiosity, stubborn, feel na ko. I know how to handle things. There's pressure about work, about life, but tungod lagi bata pa, wala ra pa ng balinga. Ang naara sa nauna, I'm still young. I have so many things ahead of me that I want to do. I want to try. My body full of energy. Laag diri, laag didto, tagay diri, tagay didto. There's a certain point of my life that I made the nights into days, and the days turns to night. Kanang mag-inom ikagabi, then duty ugma, I experienced that. Anak sila, abuso sa lawas kay lagi, bata pa man. Mandawi City in Cebu is the place where I stayed, where I lived. Lapu-Lapu City were the place I worked before. Traveling from Mandawi to Lapu-Lapu in a smooth transportation, no traffic, it will take only 30 minutes to 45 minutes, maximum na siya. But if the traffic jam hit, it will take 2 to 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours, depende sa traffic. Why I say this kind of stuff? Because from Cebu to Maya, the place which my hometown, where my parents lived, Cebu to Maya takes only 4 hours to 5 hours. And I experienced before 2 years, I guess, I didn't go home to my province. You know, nakaanak ko ba nga, I can waste it in the traffic jam, but not going home. Imagine how immature I am before, minding only the enjoyment I had, celebrating New Year's, Christmas, birthdays sa Sibura, while my parents back then, sila ra. Not knowing, not minding they're not getting any younger. Back then, I never realized it. Cause for me, Cebu City is a happy place. Dili mingaw, kundi lingaw. I had a dream, a goal, but I'm not eager to pursue it. Not determined to make it happen. I don't have the guts to change the usual things I did in my life back then. I'm happy where I am, what I had before. Until I reached the age of 28, until 30s, I started fixing my life. I want to have a better future. I realized if I'm not gonna do it now, when? I'm not getting any younger anymore. So I did what I have to do. And thanks to God, the hard work, the patience I put into, it paid well. For me, I am where I am now. Now, my mind is still young, but my body are not. I know, kinsay na minaw ani can relate. Daghan nagsakit-sakit sa lawas, 30s pa lang. Aside sa physical, emotional changes I've been through. I experienced anxiety, disappointment, worries, especially responsibility. A lot of negative emotion are hitting on me. When I reach this age, I can say this is the real life. This is real adulting. This is what they call life. Struggling, battling with the inner voice of you. The life you choose, the life you took, the responsibility you had to carry. In this time, lots of worries, less fun. I have to save money not just for me, but for the family who hold on to me. I know their problems, but they don't know mine. They see only what I want them to see. That's maturing. Taking good care of them, even if there's no left for me. No one told me how hard being adult, being the one who has the capability to give them a better life. I mean, not there yet, but I know I'm getting there. In this circle of life, being in my 30s, sometimes it's so hard that you want to quit, so hard that you want to stop. But always remember, quitting and stopping is not the solution. Just pause, relax, and then go again. Because what you have and what you are now is only the preparation of what the gods want you to become. 30s may be stressful and exhausted, but keep on moving, you will pass it through, just like anyone do. Now, I'm finally call myself an adult. This time, I want to go back to the place where my parents live, where there is so much peace, quiet, and relaxing place. And that's how life of a 30 years old is.